morning children, welcome to Hindi online class. Let's continue with our lesson, that is Jamun. Children, till now what did we see in this lesson? Yes, so in this lesson we saw about berry, that is called as Jamun. So in this lesson we are talking about Satyavir, who is living in a village where outside his house there is a big tree. What tree it is? Yes, it is berry tree. Okay, blackberry tree. So here this berry is so sweet and sour. So he likes the taste of the jamun, and even he takes this jamun to his school also in his snacks box. Okay, so now what he says, this khatte meete or this jamun, this comes in the rainy season. Which season does it come? Rainy season. So बारिश के मौसम. Okay, बारिश के मौसम means rainy season. So it comes in rainy season. Then what is the uses of this jamun? What did we see? His grandma says that it makes the blood purify and फोड़े फुंसियाँ नहीं निकलती हैं. So फोड़े फुंसियाँ means the rashes. Okay, the small rashes will never come if we eat this jamun. Then in this tree lots of birds have their nest. Even the squirrel also will keep on jumping here and there. So till now we saw this. Then let's continue with our lesson. मार्च से मई के बीच जामुन पर फूल लगते हैं. Now they are describing about the tree. So what they are saying, मार्च से मई के बीच. So between the March and May. Okay, so May means May. So between these 2 months जामुन पर फूल लगते हैं. जामुन पर फूल लगते हैं means the fool comes out. Okay, the fool comes out in the tree. That is which month? March से May. So between March to May. ये फूल गुच्छों में खिलते हैं. ये फूल गुच्छों में खिलते हैं means this flower. गुच्छों means in group. So गुच्छों means group. In group. खिलते हैं means blooming. खिलते हैं means blooming or blooms in group. Okay, और हल्के पीले रंग के होते हैं. हल्के means light color. Okay, हल्के means light. पीले रंग means yellow color. So how the flower will be? Yellow color, light yellow. Okay, इसकी खुशबू बहुत अच्छी होती है. So the smell, खुशबू means smell. इसकी means the flower smell. The flower smell is very nice. अच्छी होती है means very nice. जून में फल नजर आने लगते हैं. So in the month of June, so between March to May the flower blooms. Then in the month of June फल नजर आने लगते हैं means the fruits come out in the month of June. Okay, so nazar aane means it is visible. Okay, which is visible? The फल. Okay, the fruit is visible in the month of June. So it starts coming out. कच्चे जामुन का स्वाद कसेला होता है. कसेला होता है means तुअर्प. You know in Tamil na तुअर्प. तुअर्प means styptic. Okay, it is called as styptic in English. So कच्चे जामुन का स्वाद कसेला होता है. कसेला means तुअर्प और in English styptic. वर्षा ऋतु आते ही ये पकने लगते हैं. So when the वर्षा ऋतु means in rainy season. Varsha means rain. Ritu means season. So in rainy season it starts ripening. पकने लगते हैं means it starts ripening. पहले इनका रंग हरा होता है. So पहले means first their color will be green. Which color? Green color. और पकने के बाद काला बैंगनी हो जाता है. So after, so when it is raw, it is green in color. When it becomes ripe, पकने means ripe, then what the color will be? काला बैंगनी. काला बैंगनी means dark purple color. Dark purple. Okay. पके पके रसीले जामुन देखते ही मुंह में पानी आ जाता है. Now what they are saying? You all like jamun, right? So how it will be? Very tasty. So in the same way here also they are saying, after seeing this jamun, pake pake rasile jamun means juicy jamun or juicy berries. What will happen? मुंह में पानी आ जाता है. So that is mouth watering. Next, मुझे जामुन के पेड़ की छाव में बैठना बहुत पसंद है. So now what they are saying? So I like to sit under the shadow, or the छाव means in the shade. Okay, shade of tree. I like to sit very much. बहुत पसंद है means I like very much. और मेरी छोटी बहन रुचिरा. So his छोटी बहन means the younger sister रुचिरा. Her name is रुचिरा. को इसकी डालों में झूला झूलना बहुत अच्छा लगता है. So what this Satyavir is saying? He likes to sit under the shade of the berry tree, and his sister like to play under the tree as what? Jhula jhula means to swing. Okay, to swing in the tree. Okay. जामुन का यह पेड़ मेरे दादाजी ने कलम बनाकर लगाया था. So now what they are saying? जामुन का यह पेड़ means the berry tree. This berry tree मेरे दादाजी ने कलम बनाकर लगाया था. They are saying this जामुन tree मेरे दादाजी, my grandfather, कलम बनाकर लगाया था. So what do you know? What do you mean by कलम? Yes, so कलम means pen. बनाकर लगाया था. So how do you plant a tree with like a kalam? Kalam means you know it is a pen or like pencil. How do you plant a tree with? So you cannot relate that, right? So let me explain how it is planted. कलम कैसे लगाई जाती है, क्या आप जानते हैं? So now they are asking you, do you know how this कलम is been made? So जामुन की हरी भरी टहनी को छीलकर जमीन में लगा देते हैं. So now how they are planting this? They are taking the stem of this jamun tree and they are sharpening it as a pen. Okay, so they'll sharp it as a pen and they will plant it. Okay, so that is only they are comparing it with kalam. Okay, so it is not like how we sharp the pencil, like one side will be flat and another side will be it is sharp. So like sharpening the pencil with the blade. So when we sharp it with a blade or a knife, what will happen? One side it will be sharp. So first time when you sharp, it will be one side it will be very sharp, the another side it will be blunt. So it is in the same way they are saying जामुन की हरी भरी टहनी means the green branches, they'll cut it. छीलकर means removing the skin and they will plant it. देखभाल करने पर थोड़े दिनों में यह टहनी नया पौधा बन जाता है. So now here what they are saying, after few days, after taking care of the stem, what will happen? It becomes a plant. पौधा बन जाता है mean the branches or the small stick which is been planted, it comes out as a plant. इसकी लकड़ी बहुत सख्त और टिकाऊ होती है. So now what they are saying, this tree, so this tree, the sticks will be, लकड़ी means sticks, बहुत means very strong and unbreakable, okay, होती है. काफी समय तक पानी में रहने पर भी खराब नहीं होती. So now what they are saying, after many days also, पानी में रहने पर भी means, see here, when we put something like a plant or whatever the stick, if we put it in a plant, in the water, after few days what will happen? It will start spoiling or it gets spoiled. So but here what they are saying, this stick is very strong enough so that after many days also it never gets spoiled. That's what saying. So काफी समय तक पानी में रहने पर भी, so after a long time being in a water, it never gets spoiled. So खराब नहीं होता means it never gets spoiled. इसीलिए मछुआरे नाव बनाने के काम में इस लकड़ी का इस्तेमाल करते हैं. So now what they are saying, because this stick is very strong, so मछुआरे means the people who catches or fetches the fish, okay, what they will do, नाव बनाने के काम में इस लकड़ी का इस्तेमाल करते हैं. So now means you already know the boat. For making the boat, बनाने के काम means for making the boat they use this lakdi. Lakdi means the sticks of jamun tree. इस्तेमाल करते means use. So they use the sticks of jamun tree for making the boat. Why? Because the sticks are very strong enough so that it will never break any time. Understand, children? In this lesson, so we saw the importance of jamun tree. So I want you people to read line by line and record the audio and send it in the WhatsApp. So that will be your homework today, children. Okay, so make sure you read each and every line word by word and send me the audio in the WhatsApp group. Okay, children? Thank you, children. Meet you in the next class.